Is it crazy? I bought a couch from TikTok Shop. Guys, I get to spend $1 for every 5 that I get from my IG subscriber. Someone else could do the math. Let's continue on our self-care mission. Oh, look at this. The trinket box. I love the color. This keeps my skin from breaking out. Okay, so this smells so good, Italian burger. The only thing I'm mad about, they used to have like a little red, like little fake wax dot. Like, you know, when you seal an envelope, you have a little wax sealer, but they stopped putting that on the packaging. I wish they wouldn't have stopped. What do you guys think about this one? Okay, right? I came here for these because look how classy they look. You can put a little candle in them, and they have 3 different sizes. Look, I'm gonna show you guys. Hold on. And then I got the little tea lights. Okay, we're back from Target. I'm gonna show you everything I got. All about self-care, all about making the home smell good, smell fresh, so we can be cozy, comfy at home. That's what it's all about, self-care. It's whatever makes you feel good, right? So from Hearth and Hand with Magnolia, I got a diffuser. Then I got this body wash. It smells so good. Italian bergamot. You guys will love this. I got some garlic and thyme crackers. These taste really good with like a beer. Got some cleanser to keep the acne away. Cozy socks. I love strawberry shortcake, and these have like all the different characters from the show. Got some like a hair mask because my hair tends to be very dry, so I got a hair mask. Smells super good. This is Christine S. or Karen S, whatever her name is. Catherine S. I'm most excited about these 2 items. This candle smells so good. Look how big it is. This is like perfect to put on a table. And then look at this little trinket box. Sometimes you need things that are high and low. So yes, trinket box is super cute. And look, it has like these little wooden pieces. Love it. And I love the fact that it's not really silver. It's not really gold. I've been really into silver lately, but I don't want to go down a rabbit hole. You know what I mean? This, a body wash cleanse. It smells so good. It's grapefruit. And guess what? It makes bubbles in the bath. You guys go get this. This is at grocery outlet and it's super cheap. It smells super good. You get a really good lathering bubble bath. So much bubbles, there's almost too much bubbles. You know what I'm saying? Then I got lavender scented bath soak. I wonder if this is drying out my skin. My skin feels super dry, but it could be because I just went to Vegas. I don't know. But you know what's funny? I did that reel, that YouTube short. And I got like 5 new followers just from that short, where it's like 10 ways to spoil yourself. Well, it was kind of funny. It was kind of lavish and over the top. Like, trust me, I started from the bottom. So when I talk about something that I have, believe me, trust me, I've went without, you know? But it was just kind of funny. So let me know what kind of content you want to see. I'm so stressed out. I want to start my home project, but I need to pass this exam first. I'm also having surgery August 13th. I'll tell you all about it. It's a common surgery that women get when they're like a little bit older, and I've done everything I can. I've done exercises. I've done everything I can. I'm excited. I will share more later. Okay, if you guys have made it this far, this is where I really break out the goodies. Now, I wouldn't have bought this normally because right now I'm on a little bit of a budget, but I decided to use subscriber money and treat myself. So this is Luxe, and my favorite scent is called Vintage Vanilla. But I decided to get the Discovery Pack, and there were a few other ones in there. You can read yourself. My eyesight's not that good. I don't feel like putting on my glasses. But yes, I will link them below. They are called Luxe. Kind of pricey, but well worth it. It makes doing laundry such a treat. I still have some dryer sheets left over, but I definitely recommend her company. She's a Black-owned brand. She's from Europe. But yes, Luxe, and you will smell Luxe, girl. So to offer subscriptions, you can pick any price from like $5 to $17. You just got to have over 10,000 followers. And I just offer things like polls, story time, Q&A, stuff like that. It's pretty fun. It's just a way to have a little bit more of a sense of community over there. Also, next week, we're going to unbox my new couch from TikTok shop. Oh my gosh, I bit the bullet because the dog completely ruined the couch. Then I got this cheap couch cover, which doesn't even like do it justice. I'm so ashamed. This room used to be the best room in the house. So stay tuned for next week. We are going to do a thorough review, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube because I have a collab for next video. We are swapping out this chandelier, which I've had probably for like 7 years. I don't know, it's just a little too glam, and I'm going to show you what I picked out. Nice, because I feel like my YouTube channel is finally paying off. I'm finally raising awareness and getting like some deals, and that's the whole goal, you guys. Like, I am a hard worker. I know you guys are all hard workers as well. And yeah, thanks for being on this journey with me. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.
Oh my God, my shit.